Hi, my name is Corinne Flax and I'm an educator at the Bruce Museum, and today I'm recording this video all about how you can make an amazing character just like the ones that James Stevenson, illustrator, writer, and cartoonist made for the exhibition at the Bruce Museum, Fun, No Fun.
Before we get started, I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of our exhibition, Fun, No Fun, Children's Book Art by James Stevenson. James Stevenson was an American illustrator and cartoonist mostly known for his work in the New Yorker magazine. Stevenson was a witty and prolific artist who created hundreds of children's books that provoke fits of giggles with silliness voiced in an honest, simple, and gentle way. This exhibition presents all of Stevenson's children's book art from the artist's archives, exploring the seasonal delights to which kids of all ages can relate to. I love you.
So today we're going to be talking about how you can draw your own character. So what you're going to need to get started is either a blank piece of paper or one of our character sheets, which have a couple questions to help you develop your character. And these questions are: what's your character's name, where your character lives, and 3 things that would help me get to know your character. And these help, along with the illustration that you're going to do, to create a character that's unusual, interesting, and fun. The other thing that you're going to need is a hard surface to draw on. I've got a little clipboard here that I like to use, and then you're going to need the materials that you want to draw with. I love working with colored pencils, but you might prefer crayons or markers or even different kinds of paint, or just, a regular pen or pencil. There's really not a limit to the things that you can use. But I actually, when I created my character, I used colored pencil. So my character's name is Boom Boom Shroom, and Boom Boom Shroom lives in my fridge. And the 3 things you should know about my character is that Boom Boom is stinky, shy, and mushy. And Boom Boom is the mushroom with the polka dots on him, and then his 2 friends here are Cletus and Slive. And these 3 guys really love to hang out together. You'll see they're not actually in my refrigerator yet in this illustration, but that's where they're headed to next. So when you think about making your illustration, think about a character that would stick out to you, something that you like, something that you're interested in. I actually think of myself as a fungus aficionado, and so that's why I did my mushroom, but you could use something else. A lot of people like to use their pets or the people who are around them as inspiration for their characters. So really, the sky is the limit. So let's make a character together really quick. I'm gonna name this character, let's see, Floyd the Fluke. You can tell I like alliteration. Where does my character live? Well, my character lives in rivers, and streams. And 3 things you should know about my character. Well, loves to swim. Slimy. My fluke is slimy. And another thing that might be interesting, likes knock-knock jokes. There we go. So now I'm just going to draw a simple drawing of my fluke, and then later, when I'm not on camera, I'll add all the details. So I'm using a parasite called a liver fluke as my inspiration, because they're really silly looking. They have kind of crossed eyes. They look a little bit like this. So there, I've got my new character, and I'm gonna work later on adding more details. And maybe I'll even take the back of my paper, turn it into a grid, and I might make a 4-panel comic about Floyd the Fluke. So thanks so much for staying with us today at the Bruce Museum Family Day, and I hope that we'll see you soon. Have a good one.